Hey, J.R. Fisher here. I wanted to talk to you about how to do winning Facebook ads. That's the goal, right? Winning Facebook ads, and we determine that by conversion or sales. So the first thing you want to think about is when you set up your ad, you want to have the right audience. Because if you have everything else in place and everything's great and you have a great product and prices and ad copy and all that other stuff, and it's not in front of the right person, that's a problem. So the first thing you want to do is pick probably 4 to 6 audiences. Your audiences are your ad sets on Facebook. So you're gonna need 4 to 6 of those, and that's also where you set your ad spend. And I like to start with $5, I just do. That is a low amount. It gets me some data. I can figure out what's going on. So once I've done that and I've got my audiences, okay, I've got 4 to 6 audiences. Inside each one of those audiences is where you're gonna put your actual ads. And I like to write 2 different types of copy, and with each one of them, try 2 different images. So I'm gonna have a couple different images, I'm gonna have a couple different types of copy, and I'm not gonna stop there, but that's where I'm gonna start. So first things first, make sure your audience is right. Second thing, have a couple images and a couple different ad copies, okay? So you're gonna take each one of those ad copies and you're gonna run both images to it. And if you do that and you have 2 different images, you're gonna have 4 different ads in there. The next thing you wanna look at is when when you've set up these ads, the page it goes to has to be congruent. And what do I mean by that is, I don't know, let's say you're selling a blue jacket, and when it goes to that blue jacket, it comes to a landing page and the jacket's there. But if you have your default set to a brown jacket instead of a blue jacket, that's not congruent. And you say, well, it's the exact jacket. They can pick any color they want. They can pick blue, but that's not how the brain works. If the brain gets there and it says, I clicked on blue jacket and I saw brown jacket, oh, somebody's trying to mislead me. Something's wrong here. Something's bad. I got to leave. Those little tiny things can ruin your conversions. And it's a simple thing, I know, but you just got to be consistent. And it's got to say the same word. So whatever you said in your blue jacket ad, when it gets to the landing page, make sure that landing page says the same thing for that blue jacket. So that's simple enough. And then there's other little things you can do, and this is kind of like a bonus, but there's things you can do to make your conversions better, and they don't cost you anything. So instead of just saying shipping or fast shipping or something like that, put in there company insured shipping, right? Because we do insure it, right? If you ship it, through the postal office, or you ship it through UPS or whatever you're doing, you're getting some type of insurance. So you want to make sure you put insured shipping. Very, very important. So those are just a few tips to help you with running your e-commerce store. And I will talk to you next time.